In today's video, I'm going to show you how to preview your app in Base44 step by step so you can quickly check what your project looks like before you share it or keep building. This is a simple but really useful part of the workflow, especially if you want to test your app experience and make sure everything looks right in preview mode. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Base44 and take a look at the left navigation bar. You'll want to click on Apps from the left side menu. This is where all of your app projects are stored, and it's the starting point for getting into the one you want to preview. Once you click Apps, you should see a list of your available projects. Next, choose the project you want to see. If you have more than one app in Base44, just find the correct one from the list and click it to open that project. Make sure you select the right app because the preview will reflect the project you choose here. This is especially helpful if you're working on multiple builds at the same time. After your project opens, look at the top of the page. You'll see a section called Preview right next to Dashboard. Click on Preview to switch from the dashboard view into preview mode. This is the area where you can see your app as it will appear in a more visual, interactive format. Once you're in preview, take a moment to review everything carefully. Check the layout, the structure, and how your app feels from a user perspective. This is a great way to catch issues early and make small improvements before moving forward. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back and adjust your project, then return to preview again to recheck it. And that's it. That's how you preview your app in Base44. Just click Apps from the left navigation bar, choose the project you want, and then click Preview at the top next to Dashboard. It's quick, easy, and a great habit to build while developing your app. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Base44 tips, and I'll see you in the next video.